whenever I first started hearing the sound, the squeaking sound, I wasn't really too sure that it was the belt, the tension, or anything like that. It's coming from somewhere in the motor, so it's maybe a lifter, a no, not a lifter, a freaking what are they called? A rocker, lifter or rocker. That I need to call for a shop around the area, maybe Boost Addicts. I heard Only Motorsports is good too. I don't know. We'll call and see what is going on. Schedule something. If not, I might post this again for sale. I just don't have time. It just sits here, and I don't want it. I don't want this beautiful beast just to sit here and me not able to be able to enjoy it. Have somebody else enjoy it. But I might come down. My first asking price was 26. I might come down to 25.